This custom home, built by Carriage Place Homes, is situated on a 3-acre lot in the Southwest Allen County School District. Offering over 2,330 square feet, plus the basement, you'll have plenty of space for everyone. Right off of the entry, you'll find the perfect office, great for your work-at-home days, featuring plenty of built-ins. Head into the great room, where again, you'll note the massive wall of windows that highlight the 3-way fireplace that opens to the dining space and the fantastic kitchen with a raised breakfast bar and crisp white staggered cabinetry. And don't miss the 4-season room as you pass by. The large master suite boasts a tray ceiling and a spacious master ensuite. And oh yeah, you won't be short on closet space. The master closet is massive. And the daylight lower level offers a blank canvas ready for you to create your perfect space. This home has all the elegant touches that you're looking for: wainscoting, crown molding, 9 and 10-foot ceilings, and so much more. Call Sun Hun today to find out more.